box. Let's get something to open this thing up. This'll do. Just gonna wanna. This is professional tips on how to open a box up with a hammer. Actually, just get one of these. Just kind of yank away at it. Honestly. All right, there we go. Oh yeah. Hear that? Can't do that with a box knife. All right, there we go. So now what's in the box? What's in the box is paper. We don't need that. What else is in the box? A battery. This battery is 100% made in China. Let me make sure. Actually, doesn't say where it was made. So let's just guess it's made in China. Thank you. Here's the battery. You put the battery in the dirt bike. It also comes with plastic in a cardboard box. Alrighty. So now in order to put the battery in the dirt bike, you're going to get a toolbox. You're going to get a socket and you're going to get an 8mm and just put it in like that. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do. Is it 8? Alright, I took a 7. So. 7 and 8 are swapped out. That makes sense. Now you're going to want to get an 8. What you're going to want to do is right here on your battery, you're going to want to take out the hardware, take off the sticker, and basically I hope you know how to put a battery on. You just get the little nuts and you put them in the bolts and you screw it in with either a Phillips head screwdriver or that looks like a number 8. So you pull off and this. Since my wire goes here, the wire will go in there and it'll kind of pinch it. That way my light will work and the ground would just be the same as usual. There we go. Yeah, that's alright. So you're gonna want to get the hardware that came with it right here. Oh, we're losing pieces already. Alright. So you're gonna get one of these. This goes inside of the bike right there. Is this an 8? Yep, it's an 8. But I think a Phillips head would be better. Bam, got one. So we're just gonna put it inside of there. Chugga bang. She's on. So now what you want to get is this protective cover. Where does it even go? Ah, wrong way. No dip. There we go. You're just gonna want to screw it in. Alright, now you're going to get the plastic. I'm going to Should be a clip right here. Knock her in there, knock her in there. Alright. There we go. Should be better. Alright, first test. Turn on the key. Alright, let's check out if the headlight works. You guys ready? It doesn't? What? Oh, electric start works. That's a plus. Figured out the problem was that this green wire is supposed to be connected to the white one in order for the light to work, but somehow it broke off within like 3 months of just sitting, so I will rewire that up and then we will check it out. I have this China-made little switch right here, and let's see if it works. Alright, let's see. Oh! She works, dude. It's not that bad either. So, yeah. Might upload some clips later. Me riding this thing at night, because it's actually pretty light. So, yeah. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And yeah, peace.